Hey team, I am here with a TYT product. I'm going to do an unboxing on their 30-foot long, 1-inch diameter kinetic rope. I've been needing a kinetic rope for some time, so I found this one. I went ahead and ordered it, and I'll tell you the reasons why here in a moment. I did want to show you guys that they look like they're out of Mount Juliet, Tennessee. So that's cool. That's really close by. I'm going to go ahead and get this guy unboxed here. So this bag seems pretty heavy duty. It's well constructed. Kinetic rope is heavier than I thought. I did not know that kinetic rope was this heavy. Top Your Target, that's the name of the brand, TYT. Let's take a look in here. Here's one of the reasons why I ordered it. It's got the protective sheath on here, so I'm a huge fan of that. A lot of these kinetic ropes, they don't come with the protective sheaths on them. So this is nice. And you can take it off and on. That way, if you decide to wash it, you can do that. The rope itself. So let's get this guy unwrapped and measure to see if it's truly 1 inch thick here. And like I mentioned earlier, the reason that this is the kinetic rope that I went with is because the price was good, but moreover, it's got the protective sheath on it. Dang, that's a little bit bigger than 1 inch. Huh, that's 1.25 inches. I'll be darned.